Here's Murray. Oh, straight through them. Cameron Murray. It shouldn't be that easy. The South's captain with the opener. Now Ilias, it's a good kick. It's an even better take by Joey Manu, who spent a fair bit of time at fullback. And he's quickly got play. Oh, Smith put it down. Murray's picked it up. Johnston's going to score for Souths. What a blow by the Roosters.
There he is there. His captain gets the ball and then gets it to the #1 try scorer in the competition last year, Alex Johnston.
Unbelievable. Can't ever remember seeing something like that. There's Tedesco. Links here with Manu. Joey Manu. Tedesco races away. Oh, that's how you answer back after a mistake. James Tedesco with 8 tries now in his last 10 games here.
Just a little play to the right-hand side. And key players get the ball, create an opportunity for their outside men. Nice little step back on the inside by Joey Manu, and well supported and finished off by James Tedesco.
Oh, here's the first mistake of the second half, and Sam Walker has pounced on the loose ball. They started the game flawlessly. They've started the second half poorly, the Bunnies. Now Manu, Joey Manu is going to score. A mistake, and then a try. The ultimate price for South Sydney. The Roosters could be level here. And Ilias away to Murray. Oh, lovely play, Walker. Cody Walker. Oh, that's a beautiful piece of football. Murray with a delightful bit of sleight of hand on the inside.
As the pass comes, he comes off his left foot to get on the outside of Tupanua, and then gets himself into space. If we can get that front on angle, this will look absolutely sensational.
Played by Arrow. Kalamatangi won't drop this one. Souths are cutting the Roosters apart.
Satili Tupanua then fades out on the pass. Sam Walker gets up past the ball. Kalamatangi goes over.
One soon here, the Roosters. I don't want to leave it too late. Keary, oh, that won't help. And it's picked up by Paulo. Oh, he slips the ball away. Mitchell! Latrell Mitchell on the counter-attack. Down the wing he goes. Latrell is going to score. Unbelievable.
Zero tackle.
Manu out of dummy half. Keary to Sam Walker. Fires a pass out from Momirovski. He beat Campbell Graham. He slips a pass to Daniel Tupou. There's one try. And all comebacks start with the first try.
Roosters are still alive. They've still got a pulse.
Daniel Tupou. It's full time. It's South Sydney 28 over the Roosters 16.